Hey, Dan here, and welcome to my blog. You know, sometimes I find stuff that I want to do a recommendation of. And this company called Chewy, and they have Chewy.com, which is a pet lovers shop. I believe they got everything from, they have everything from fish to probably horses. But in our case, we have the Shih Tzus, and the other day we got this in. And when I went to inspect it, unfortunately, they had all the stuff that would purchase, all the boxes of treats and stuff like that, were laying on top of the dog food. Unfortunately, it actually put a hole in it. So usually they have it separated, I think, but in this case, it wasn't, and it's been really cold, bouncing around. It poked a hole in it. So the wife called the customer service, and they so graciously said that we were very sorry, and we're going to send you another one. And in 3 days, there's the new box. They're definitely a fantastic company. She's been with them for a little over 2 years now.
Try again.
3 years now? 3 years?
3.5.
3.5? 3.5 years now. And we've never had a problem with them. And this is the first time we've had a shipping problem with the product getting damaged. And when she called them on them again, they shipped us a new box. What do you think, Bear? Huh? That's your favorite food? What do you think? Have my pocket? Lancelot. What, baby? But I thought I'd just add that. And they had this to us within 2 days. So if you're looking for a reliable pet lovers place to shop, check out Chewy.com.
Hey.
Hey?
Come here.
What?
Any time with no penalties.
Well, the wife was just explaining that if you are a new customer, they send you a coupon.
A coupon/promo code.
And you'll get what percentage?
20%.
About 20% on the first time.
Off your first order.
Off your first order. You can also get it set up for auto ship as well.
And auto ship saves you 5%.
And if it's if you didn't catch that, if you put it on auto ship, it'll save you another.
You can cancel at any time.
And you can cancel at any time. That's pretty cool. Like I said, it's been a good company for us, and
They also accept coupons.
and if you go on coupon, you can even get bigger savings. What are you thinking, huh? What do you think? What are you doing, baby? Huh? There's Lance. Wee wee.
And by the way,
Uh-huh.
I don't think they do horses, dude.
Now, you don't think they do horses?
No.
Okay. Just fish and dogs, right?
No, dogs, cats, fish, small reptiles, birds. I just don't think they do horses.
Okay. I was just expanding it out to maybe elephants, too.
No.
No.
But they're a real good company.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. I'd send anybody to them that was looking for somebody to buy their food from.
Oh, there you go.
You ain't got to deal with the big bags. You ain't got to deal with getting it to your car and getting it in your house. They deliver it right to your door.
What do you think, Bear?
If you order over 50, they give you free shipping. They do charge sales tax, but so does the store.
Right. Well,
You're
if you,
saving your gas money
yep.
and wear and tear on getting it up the stairs into your house.
Yep.
And in most instances, they can beat the prices at Walmart, Target, Tops.
All the big box stores.
Yeah, in most instances.
Very nice.
What I paid $3 for at Walmart, I can get for like $2.70 something at Chewy. Plus, they will take a coupon if I happen to have one.
Very good. So check them out at chewy.com.